Hey guys, it's Josh Bailey with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Got a new trade I want to show you. It's a 2016 Bennington 2350 RSR. It's the R Series Bennington. It's a drop, I believe. Got a nice little champagne accent color going down the ceiling there. This is a tri-tune. We've got the ESP package on it. Let's go around to the back and I can show you some of the features. Guys, here at the back of the boat, we've got this nice extended swim platform area on both sides of the motor. We do have a removable ski tow bar. This boat is powered by a Yamaha 200 horsepower outboard. Over here, we've got a nice telescopic swim ladder. Let's hop aboard. We can take a look inside. Guys, one thing you'll notice as we stand inside of this 2350 RSR is how much shade this boat has. If you're somebody that likes to be on the water but likes to have a good bit of shade, this has the double bimini top, so you can get tons of shade on this boat. You got a really luxurious interior with this diamond stitch pillow top upholstery, super comfortable, lots of storage throughout. We got storage underneath both of these chase lounges as well as in-floor storage here by the helm. Speaking of the helm, we've got a raised helm on this particular boat. Gives you lots of good visibility. We've got a nice tilt steering wheel. And as always with all the Benningtons, this binnacle is right here in the perfect spot, so it's super comfortable when you're out there on the water, whenever you're driving around for a long day. This boat's loaded out with all of our analog gauges and switches here on the dash, as well as a Garmin and Sony sound system. As we move back, you can see we've got a co-captain's chair. Our rear lounges here in the back. Once again, tons of storage throughout this boat. This will be a great boat for the summer. Guys, if you want to come see it and you have any questions, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.